Hey, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're aboard the 2027 Grady-White 340 Express. Start up here on the bow of this beautiful boat, have our lounge here and a large open bow with the bow rail across, making it easy for you to get up front. Here to your anchor locker. As we go towards the back of the boat, notice your full enclosure, and this boat's already been rigged out with electronics package. So your open array, Garmin radar, night vision, VHF, and we'll see the rest of the package as we step into the boat. Hop aboard and see what the 340 Express has to offer. All right, guys, we'll start here in the cockpit of the 340 Express. The boat's powered here by the Twin 450 Yamaha XTOs. We come here towards the transom. You have a large refrigerated fish box, a freshwater sink, and a live well here in the transom as well. As we come up here towards the helm, we'll start here with the mezzanine seat, which has additional storage and a footrest underneath. More storage on the backrest. On the starboard side here, you'll have another freshwater sink, prep station on top, and a nice refrigerator. Come step up here towards the helm. As I mentioned before, the boat's already been outfitted with a full electronics package. We'll have twin 19 Garmin screens here, your joystick, autopilot, and every switch you need right here on the boat. On the port side, you'll have an L-shaped lounge with a electronic table here, either position. And then the best part about the Express here is the full glass all the way around, keeping you protected from the elements, as well as with your air conditioning. Step down to the cabin and see what that has to offer. Follow me down here in the cabin of the 340 Express. As we come downstairs, you notice we have a large amount of room up front with a table that lowers down to make a full forward berth. You also have a large aft berth with more storage. And then here we have a Corian top with your electric cooktop, refrigerator, and a nice stand-up head situated here on the starboard side. If you'd like more details or to come see this boat in person, give me a call at 706-455-0468 or visit the boat online at marinemax.com.